What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Haltech Nexus and Elite keypad solutions that I have built using a gateway that I designed. If you're familiar with the keypad offering for Haltech, they use the Grayhill 8-button keypad like so in order to allow you to have a keypad input. They have up to 4 keypads, 2 2x4s and 2 3x5s. This is a CAN triple. It's a 3-channel CAN bus gateway that I use for integrating solutions to various systems. So if we have 2 incompatible systems, I will use it commonly to mesh said systems together. And in this case, we'll be meshing the Blink Marine PKP 2600s. I have 2 of them. I'm emulating them as a 15-button keypad. There is some configuration settings that have to be defined in these using CAN that isn't able to be defined using this box, and I don't recommend it using this box. A little bit easier if you have a CAN to USB adapter, just send the messages and save it, and you're good to go. I will be offering pre-configuration solutions here soon using the Blink Marine keypads and the gateway. I have a setup already currently defined. I have this one set up as the 3.5A keypad, bridging information. So information comes from the keypad to this box and from this box to the ECU. And when there's information like the LED states coming out, it'll go from this box to the gateway and from the gateway out to the keypad. I'm gonna go ahead and power everything up. Note that I will have an error on channel 5. It's just kind of to show proof of concept. So I have this button set up as an error because we have 2 different functions set up. So it's describing and saying, hey, like there's an error. You have 2 different inputs. So we're gonna need to go to the fuel pump, and you'll see that I have fuel pump override input and then auxiliary fuel pump override as the same button, which is not able to be you can't run it that way. There's one physical alignment in Haltech. So I'll click clear, we'll click refresh, and we'll see that, oh, look at that, our light goes away. So I have this as an override. So if we click it, we see that the overrides are yellow, errors are red. When you press a button, it is blue. And if it is considered toggling on and toggling off, which I have defined under the generic switch is push on, push off, it'll stay green. So essentially I have the first 4 buttons as, you know, toggling push on, push off, and everything else is just toggling, which it'll stay blue once you press it, and you're good. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the second keypad up. So we currently, if we go to Haltech CAN, you will see that we only have the 3x5A at the bottom defined. 3x5B is not connected. I'm gonna connect this one here, which I have pre-configured as keypad 3.5B. And you can see that we have 3.5B connected here. We'll click enable device. We'll go back to the Haltech CAN and it'll be defined here. And then I also have the brightness states that you can play with as well. I changed the backlight color on this one so you could define between the 2 because I didn't want it to have a situation where you were like, oh, okay, I don't know, I don't know what's the, which keypad's which when you were playing with them. So I was just setting that up. Let's go to the engine functions fuel pump. Let's disable that one as well so we can get rid of all our errors. Cool. Yep, we can erase all our DTCs from my power supply that drops voltage instead of switches voltage. Let's go back here. Let's go to the keypads states so we can watch each button go through. Yeah, let me flip this over here. So there we go, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We don't have 13, and 14, 15, obviously, so we're not going to get anything there. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll have these up on the website soon at middenperformance.com. If you have any questions, yeah, just reach out. I'm pretty active on most of my social media streams, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Yeah, hopefully I can help bring solutions to the table that people have desired. And we'll see you in the next video.